Hey guys, it's Mark again. Just here out at the property, at the new site for Oz Seals, where the new building's going. So what we're going to do is just test our seal here, just to see how it stretches and how it performs, and to see if it springs back to its original form. Alright, so let's give it a go. I'll start pulling it with the tractor and see what happens. No physical damages there, as you can see. Everything seems very good. I mean, there's a bit of mud there, that'll just be cleaned up. A bit of water. But physically, there is no damage to the seal. As you can see, it just springs back to life.